Together in high school. They've just added Jadeveon Clowney. Howell is hanging on to it for a long time. Escapes to his right, and with the eyes downfield finds Dotson. 17 seconds left, no timeouts for the Commanders. Good protection again. Touchdown, Dyami Brown. You can't convince Sam Howell or Dyami Brown about that. These plays matter.
Yeah, you're going to see when Howell goes to turn it loose. Look at the coverage. You'd think it's going to go over the top. Instead, he throws it underneath and allows Dyami Brown to try to come back to the football and make a play. That ball, typically, you would expect it to be thrown to the pylon.